northern Boulder counties, including Feed, Collins, Greeley, and Longmont, due to smoke transported from wildfires in Colorado and Wyoming. Lighter smoke is expected further south in the Boulder, Denver, and Colorado Springs areas, though brief periods of heavier smoke will remain possible for areas included in this advisory that are not expected to exceed the unhealthy for sensitive groups air quality designation. We request that activities such as driving non-vehicles, i.e. gas or diesel, be reduced to lessen the impacts on neighboring air quality. Additional air pollution in this region may directly worsen air quality or contribute to precursors which may also adversely affect air quality. For Colorado air quality conditions, forecasts, and advisories, visit
www.colorado.gov/air
I
want
quality.
all your helmets, they fall down and out of here so that you need to move them out to the garage.
Remain indoors. This is especially true for those with heart disease, respiratory illnesses, the very young.
Okay, I still want them moved out to the garage. They're sporting
Moderate to
equipment.
heavy smoke is present.
Can we find a special place in the garage for them? Is that possible? Okay, because I know they're important to you, so I don't want them to get like put into the wrong piles or not taken care of. So I think we can find a way to like hang them so they're all, and you can even put your bike helmet out there too. Like some kind of entry, so I don't, maybe by the in the bike cabinet, you can have the bike cabinet and you get that little cubby locker for your equipment.
Yeah. 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 65 miles per hour. Where Laramie County below 6,000 feet and northwest Weld County, northeast Weld County, eastern Adams and Arapahoe counties, Morgan County, and Logan County. When until 6 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time this evening. The following impacts are expected. Strong winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Travel will be difficult for high-profile vehicles. Localized blowing dust may produce near zero visibility. Strong winds may lead to property damage. Hazardous driving conditions due to powerful crosswinds will pose a serious risk for drivers, especially for lightweight and high-profile vehicles. Loose outdoor items should be brought inside or secured properly. Strong winds and very high fire danger today and Monday. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for North.